To transfer USDT from Crypto.com to Mexc Exchange, start by opening the Crypto.com app and clicking on the Accounts option. From the subsequent screen, select the Crypto Wallet option, which will display all the cryptocurrencies currently in your account. Choose the USDT you want to transfer, and then click on the Transfer button. In the pop-up menu, select Withdraw, and another window will appear. Click on External Wallet. You will then be prompted to add a wallet address, which can be found in the Mexc Exchange app. Open the Mexc Exchange app, click on the Wallet option, and then click on the Deposit button. Search for the specific currency you want to receive. In this case, USDT, and select it. Choose the same network used in the Crypto.com app, and you will be able to obtain the deposit address. Copy the address and return to the Crypto.com app, where you will paste the wallet address and enter a wallet name. Click Continue, and your wallet address will be added. To complete the transfer, click on the Withdraw button next to the wallet address. Confirm the withdrawal, and enter the amount you want to transfer in your local currency. Ensure the wallet address and network type are correct, and the network type matches in both Crypto.com and Mexc Exchange. Finally, confirm the withdrawal. Enter your password, and the USDT will be transferred from Crypto.com to Mexc Exchange.